Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode from me, and this is Tam Cam. And in today's video, I will be doing a eyebrow tutorial quarantine edition. Okay, as we all know, all of our nail shops, eyebrow techs, all of them, they closed, and everyone eyebrows look like Anthony Davis are getting to that point. I know mine is, okay? So we are going to be doing a at-home quarantine eyebrow touch-up video today, okay? So just want to give y'all a warning, okay? If you've never did this before, please caution yourself, okay? Because if you scrape off your whole eyebrows, sis, it's on you. It ain't me, okay? This is just a little helping and assistance if you need some assistance, or if you want to wait till the world to open up whenever that day is, so we can get our eyebrows snatched by a professional. But since we have no professional right now, we must be the professional. I think the last time I even did my eyebrows was maybe, I don't know, like the first week of March. Like I got them waxed, and child, it's like a month and 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It's too long, y'all. Like, what today is? April? No, it's almost the end of freaking April, Jesus. It's almost 2 months and I have not got my eyebrows waxed. But we pretty much are in the same boat right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just zoom in so y'all can see this caterpillars that's sitting on my face right now. Okay, you guys, so this is what we're starting with. Oh my Lord, it looks so much worse. Like, oof, Jesus Christ. It looks so much worse like this up close in life. Whoo. This is a hot mess. I ain't gonna lie. But we're gonna get it together. We're gonna get it together, okay? Some DIYs and we're gonna get it through. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and start off with the tools that I have right now in hand that may be useful for you right now. So I have this little brush here. Ignore the fact that it's dirty, okay? That's not the important thing right now. So I have this little brush here with this comb and this brush at the end. Oh, it's a little dusty. And I have this spoolie here, also a little dirty. Jesus Christ. But it's okay. It's okay. We got our spoolie. Then we have our infamous eyebrow shaver that you can get at any of your local beauty stores. And then I have these lovely little eyebrow scissors. At least I think they're eyebrow scissors, but they're going to be used for my eyebrows today. And also, I'm going to be using a mirror to look at myself, because just in case, I do not want to be looking at this camera and I get it wrong. So I'm going to be like this, fixing up my eyebrows, okay? Because I'm not trying to... We're in quarantine, but I still need to have my eyebrows intact, okay? I'm not trying to shave them off by mistake. So, let's get it started. So the first thing I'm going to do is pretty much just brush them so I can see what kind of shape I have with my eyebrows. This one, I don't even know what's going on. It looks like hair is missing all of a sudden. I don't know how hair is missing when I haven't gotten a wax in 2 months, but yeah. So, just pretty much just brush it into the shape that... There's 2 G's. Whew. Into the shape that you're looking for. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this scary eyebrow shaver. Whew, Lord Jesus. Okay. I'm going to take this eyebrow shaver and I'm going to start with the easiest section first. Here. Okay. We're going to start the easy part first before we make any damages. Okay. So I'm going to just go ahead. I don't know if I should go up, downward or upward. I can't even much remember, y'all, but we're gonna go up, okay? If you know the correct way, you do it that way, but I'm gonna just go up. Okay. So now that we got that whole Anthony Davis connection going, we're going to go ahead and work on the actual eyebrows. The scary part. You know, I'm really nervous about this because I have never, I'm not going to even say never. I have not did my own eyebrows in like, I don't know, like maybe like nursing school or something. Maybe that's like the latest, which was 4.5 years ago. So... I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna get this through, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going back and forth with my spoolie and my eyebrow shaver, just to make sure that I have the correct, what I want to say, the correct flow of my eyebrows, or the correct shape of my eyebrows. That's what I want to say. So yeah, Luckily, my eyebrows are thick, so hopefully I don't make too much of a mistake. I got a lot of hair to work with, but you know, I got and it's gone. So hopefully we don't do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and work my way from the front first and just go around the perimeter. Looks like my perimeter is pretty much good, but it's really this part that I'm nervous about. I think I just snatched a piece of hair off, but okay. So you're gonna go and just relax your face, okay? Because I'm like this. I don't know. Okay, so now that little end piece, that always makes me nervous because you do not want to chop your eyebrows off and then you're looking like a mess. So I'm gonna brush off any hair that I actually cut off there, which wasn't really much. It's that bottom part, y'all, that I'm scared of, but we're gonna get through it. So I'm gonna go ahead here. I'm gonna get a little closer for y'all. Okay, and we're gonna go. Oh Lord. Be very, very careful with this part, okay, y'all? You do not want to cut off your freaking eyebrows. Because like I said, it's on you. And I'm just really doing it just to clean it up a little bit. I mean, I know I can't get like a full freaking snatched eyebrows right now, but we're going to just clean it up. That's all. So you just want to keep going back and forth to, you know, the top and the bottom, depending on what you like and how you want your eyebrows to be shaped. Be very careful. You do not have to rush this because since you ain't going nowhere. So take your time. Take your time. Okay. Whoo, child. It's a little scary. Okay. So I feel like I cleaned up this eyebrow pretty good to a degree. Whew, Jesus, compared to that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start cutting. Let me put the spoolie away. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Oh, Jesus, focus, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush and just swoop my eyebrow hairs on up so I can go ahead and start trimming. I wish this camera would focus. Okay. Alright, so that's what my eyebrow hair is looking like right now. They look like Chewbacca, but it's okay. We're going to use these bad boys. Be very careful. Okay, now one thing with cutting your eyebrow hairs, you have to really watch out because, you know, if you're cutting, like, let's say I have a patch here, like, that you notice when you lift your hairs up, you don't want to cut too much of your hair that's, you know, if it's longer and reaching up here because that hair is actually falling here to cover up your patch. So you really want to be careful about what you're cutting and make sure that you're not cutting too much because like I said, once it's gone, it's gone. I mean, it's going to grow back, but it ain't going to be here today. So that's the only hard part about that. But you can always line it up. I mean, that's a good thing about being in quarantine. Ain't no one gonna see you. So, I feel like these scissors might be too big, but we're gonna still work with them. Okay, so I'm gonna just go around the lining and just cut some of them extra hairs. Whew, alright, so we're clean now. I'm gonna go down two and do the same thing. I don't know, I always close my eyes because I do not want that hair to come into my eyeballs. Jesus Christ. Have you ever had a hair go into your eyes? I feel like a freaking rock is sitting in there. Okay. Alright, it's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah. If you want to come by me to get your eyebrows snatched, just holler at me on youtube.com/Tam Kam. So this is eyebrow number 1. Looks pretty good. I might say. Now, if you want to obviously, you know, make it all nice and neat, that's when you do, you know, your little eye pencil, your concealer, all of that. But this is perfectly fine for right now. Okay? We ain't got no eyebrow shot. We don't need it to be the snatches. We just need it to be something right now. Something. Okay, so that is what my eyebrow is looking like. It's cleaned up. This one is just always gonna look better than the other one. Always. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just fill them in a little bit and then come back on camera just to show you guys how my eyebrows actually look now that I actually cleaned them up a bit to line them. Ooh, bang, bang. Okay. So you guys, I filled in my eyebrows a little bit and it's looking real good. Oh my gosh, Jesus, it looks like I'm somebody again. Woo! Okay, yeah, because like before with them Chewbacca eyebrows, Anthony Davis eyebrows, literally I could not sit there and edit my eyebrows. Like as far as like I could not draw over them and everything else because I had so much hair here. I still have a little couple prickles, but it's okay for right now. And all the hair here, so it's like every time when I would draw over it, you could see them hairs and my eyebrows just look even thicker and start looking like a box. I was just like, I can't do this no more. I can't roll like this. So this is really, really good looking. So this is a good method to try at home if you obviously cannot get to a nail shop / eyebrow tech right now, which I'm pretty sure a lot of us can't. But yeah, so if you are confident enough to try this at home, like I did, go ahead and try that at home and let me know how it works out for you. If you cut your eyebrows good or if you cut them off, let me know down in the comment box below. Okay, so if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below, turn it gray, and hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time when I post a new video. Bye guys.